Hello students, welcome to our lesson on adverbs of frequency. What are adverbs of frequency? Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. Adverbs of frequency can be used to describe a habit or repeated action. Some common adverbs of frequency include always, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, and never. Let's take a closer look at each of these adverbs. Always refers to something that happens every time, without fail. For example, I always brush my teeth before bed. Usually refers to something that happens most of the time. For example, I usually have a bowl of cereal before breakfast. Often refers to something that happens many times. For example, I often go for a run after work. Sometimes refers to something that happens occasionally, but not all the time. For example, I sometimes go out for dinner on Friday nights. Occasionally refers to something that happens now and then, but not regularly. For example, I occasionally go to the movies on the weekends. Rarely refers to something that happens infrequently. That means not often. For example, I rarely eat fast food. Never refers to something that never happens. I never smoke cigarettes. It's important to note that adverbs of frequency are usually placed before the main verb in a sentence. For example, I often go for a run after work. The verb in this sentence is go, so often goes before the verb go. Often go. But if the main verb is to be, for example, is, am, are, the adverb of frequency goes after the verb. Here's an example. I am usually tired after a run. Okay, now it's quiz time. Try to answer these questions. What is an adverb of frequency? A, a type of verb. B, a type of noun. C, a type of adverb. D, a type of conjunction. Number 2. Which of the following is an example of an adverb of frequency? A, always. B, shopping. C, she. D, quickly. Number 3. How often do you use adverbs of frequency when you speak English? A, every day. B, once a week. C, only occasionally. D, never. Number 4. Which of the following is an adverb of frequency? A, yesterday. B, sometimes. C, read. D, fast. Number 5. What is the rule for using adverbs of frequency in a sentence? A, the adverb of frequency should be placed after the main verb. B, the adverb of frequency should be placed at the beginning of the sentence. C, the adverb of frequency should be placed after the subject. Or D, the adverb of frequency should be placed before the main verb. Number 6. Which of the following is not an adverb of frequency? A, always. B, since. C, almost. D, rarely. I hope this lesson has helped you understand adverbs of frequency and how to use them when speaking in English. Thank you for watching this lesson, and I'll see you in the next video.